Okay guys, I'm sure that many of you all had seen the last video that I did showing the John Deere tractor, and to go along with that I recently picked up a new weed eater. The weed eater that we have had for quite a few years is it still runs and all that. It does need some work, which we're going to take and have some work done to it to get it back in a little bit better shape. But in the meantime, just because I know we need a second weed eater, that way a couple of us getting out and we can do what we need to do around the property. And of course I need to do some trimming, as you can see. So I went ahead and picked this up. I got a pretty good deal on it, and also got some twine and that sort of thing. So this is the next addition in my upgrade of some of the equipment that we have here, some of the lawn care stuff that we have. Like I say, you know, we've had a little bit of a challenge lately, some of the stuff that we've had with the Cub going out, and of course I had to purchase the John Deere. If you have not seen that video, go back and check it out, and there's going to be more coming. And also got this. This is the Stihl F594R, or FS, whatever that is. Just going into the store, setting a couple of them down side by side. This one felt the best for me, and I did like some of the features that were on it, the way you can actually adjust the speed and lock that speed. And you know, so that was one of the many features that I liked on it, as well as the engine. And again, these are a good engine in my opinion. The only trouble that we've had out of the older one is it seems like every so many years the carburetor seems to go out, just I'm sure getting gummed up with the ethanol gas, the ethanol in the gas, and that sort of thing. But pick this up and am about to put it to use. I just thought I'd take a few minutes to show it to you and get your opinion on them. I know mine. That's why I went back with the Stihl, and I think that they're pretty good products. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment below, and we'll see you next time.